How to fix Telegram server downtime. When Telegram experiences server downtime, you may see errors or be unable to send messages. Unfortunately, server downtime is something only Telegram can fix on their end. The best approach is to check official Telegram status updates on social media or their website to confirm the outage and get an estimate of when service will resume. Avoid uninstalling and reinstalling the app during downtime, as it won't resolve server-side issues. Use alternative communication methods to inform friends or groups about the time if it's urgent. Have you experienced Telegram downtime? Let us know how you managed it in the comments below. Being patient and staying informed is the key during the server outages. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.